After the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act 2019, which union territories were created? After the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganisation Act 2019, which union territories were created? Everyone knows it. It's so simple. In 2019, Jammu and Kashmir state was divided into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The tricky part in this question is this: with legislature or without legislature? So the correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir with legislature and Ladakh without legislature. So the correct option is option C, both 1 and 2. What is the present status of Jammu and Kashmir after August 5, 2019? What is the present status of Jammu and Kashmir after 5 August 2019? What is Jammu Kashmir today? Whether it is a state or it is a union territory without legislature, or it is a union territory with legislature, or it is a special category state. We have already seen this in previous question that presently, today, Jammu and Kashmir is a union territory without legislature. So the option B is correct. Let's move on to the next question. The J&K Assembly can make laws on the J&K Legislative Assembly. The J&K Legislative Assembly. What is this Legislative Assembly? It's a law-making body. The laws are made here. So the J&K Legislative Assembly can make laws on police and public order. It's incorrect. The LG of the Jammu and Kashmir, the Lieutenant Governor of the Jammu and Kashmir, can make laws on police and public order. The J&K Legislative Assembly cannot make laws on police and public order. The J&K Legislative Assembly can make laws on all state list subjects. All state list subjects. This is also incorrect. The J&K Legislative Assembly cannot make laws on all state list subjects. It cannot make laws on police and public order. So now you know the answer. The J&K Legislative Assembly can make laws on state list, but not all state list subjects. It cannot make laws on police and public order. So the correct option is state list except police and public order. So B is the correct option. Let's move on to the next question. Which subjects are under the Lieutenant Governor of J&K? Which subjects are under the LG of J&K? Public order, police, bureaucracy, or all of the above? I have already told you in the previous question that LG can make laws on public order and police and also bureaucracy. So the correct option is all of the above. And there is one more subject under the LG of J&K. What is it? It's Finance Bill. Finance Bill. Next question is LG approval is required for. LG approval is required for. LG approval is required for financial bills, amendments creating financial liabilities, both or neither. The correct option is both 1 and 2. LG approval is required for both financial bills and amendments creating financial liabilities. Next question.